Cheeto and the neat and icing.
Shush.
That's engineering material right there.
She's very smart.
Yeah,
She knows how to get what she wants.
She's a little cake baby.
She's figuring stuff out.
Lick it, go.
Mmm.
Oh.
What would you like? You want juice? Take a bite. Take another bite and I'll get you Capri Sun. Take two bites of this and you can have Capri Sun. Okay, 2 bites of that and you can have water.
She's taking all the butter. You must stop. You're not even leaving the bread. What are you doing, funny? You're the funny one. Getting all the butter. She's getting all the butter off. Oh, I'll just lick the whole corn. Just lick the whole corn. The butter wasn't enough.